And welcome back to another video. I know this is a different video, but hear me out. Cause I play on Fortnite. Like I was going to do a Among Us video, but in Fortnite. But the thing with Fortnite, I can't really record the video, so my friend does it with me. But my friend needs a new USB drive, so it's gonna come in 1 week later, and probably might come 1 week after, cause I have school. I have lots of homework. It's really tiring. But today I'm going to tell you how to edit like Grumbae, the guy who does those sick edits, using Davinci Resolve 16, latest version. And yeah, pretty much. So I'll go on one of my old videos. I know it's not that great, but I just need like one clip. And yeah,
dude.
it's red. Clip that I'll be showing you how to edit like Grumbae is this clip right here. Like first, you have to get like the perfect moment, like the Fortnite gameplay right here, as you can see. Yeah, I threw it, and like that. Okay, so basically you just get like the perfect Fortnite best clip. Like it could be like any good clip. Then like you have to add some any funny sound effects, like you can add like this audio. If you don't know how to add videos, I'll tell you. It will be in the link description below, so please check that out. So anyway, so like before the player dies, like right around there, I add the splat sound effect. Like, you can add like any sound effect to the player's death. Like, it has to be something. Usually in Grumbae's video, it's like a man dying like, huh. So like, you have to add like the splat. Like, at the splat when the player dies. And you can like add like any funny sound effect. It could be anything or it could be nothing. And like that. And if you want to know how to like zoom before the player sound effect, first you have to click on the video, press Ctrl B, see, and like it says eliminate Steve Jake. You have to do, let's do like a small clip, okay? Then you go on edit, you click zoom, see right here, this is the clip that we cut it out. Then we go on inspector. And now we can like zoom like to your hard contents. Let's do like this. And then when we go back, then when you try to do it, it shows that sound effect. Like you can make this longer if you want. You can just move this right here. And then you can like drag it like this. I mean, it's your choice. Yeah, but usually for Grumbae's death sound, the screen shakes, right? So basically, how you do a camera shake, you go on and open FX filters, then you search up shake right here. Then you click on camera shake, then you place it to the clip that you want to shake. Usually it's a death scene. So right here, as you can see, this pro player killed a new player. This guy's really trash. Yeah, so basically, you go on, usually you're on a video, but you have to go on Open FX. Then you leave these, okay. But pan amplitude, you place it like around the middle, maybe less. For the tilt amplitude, it should be higher than the pan amplitude. So you guys can like figure that out. So basically in Grumbae videos, it's pretty much perfect timing. So right here, it's kind of messed up, but you can make it in perfect timing. I'm just showing you how to do steps. And then, these two right there. But for the PTR speed, you like make it around 3 or to 2 speed right there. Then, when I play it, let's see. See, like it gives that shaking, a sound effect. or whatever. So basically that's how you do it. And if the audio is too loud or too big, you can go right here. You can make the music, like you press compressor, then you go on listen, then you turn this up a little bit. So that makes like the music, like you can hear the music but not a lot. And if you're talking or any sound effect, like you can go to the second one, to audio 2, and press compressor again, but put on send. Turn this up a little bit, and right there. So when you're speaking, like you can hear your voice more clearer than your music. And yeah, that's how you do it. And once you go on finish, once you're done finishing, you have click YouTube and custom, then you can choose any of these. Then you just add to render queue. Make this restricted to 5,000. And bam, you're pretty much done. So that's it for the video. I know I didn't explain all of it, but the submission clips are like funny streaming clips. And pretty much 90% of Grumbae's video is basically him like finding perfect timings and like adding sound effects. Like I didn't show you the backgrounds, how to do that, but if you want to, I can do a part 2. Let's get about 20 likes, alright? Alright, so that's it for this video.